Hi, this is a video on how to make a non-sterile disposable gown. One like this that you would wear in a situation where you'd want to protect yourself with one more layer. So in order to do this, you're going to need to gather some materials. You'll need the gown, you'll need some patterning material, which I would use a thick plastic, and then you will need a straight edge, a Sharpie, and some masking tape. Once you've made your pattern, you're going to need material to make the gown out of. We've tried making them out of Tyvek, and that seemed to work pretty well. So you could make one out of Tyvek. Remember, this is non-sterile. It's just another barrier to help protect you. To make your pattern, you're going to first need to cut the sleeve of your arm. You'll be able to open this up into what your shape of your pattern is going to be. Then you're going to need to fold your gown in half, lengthwise. And that is going to be, your pattern will be on the fold. So you'll use a piece of material that will be double this. So you're going to spread it out and tape it down. So make sure you put tapes all around. Then you're going to take your Sharpie and you're going to trace all the way around the edge, all the way around. Once you do that, you're going to cut it out. So after you've cut it out, you have a pattern that looks like this. This will be the fold right here. So you'll have a line here where you're going to put it on a double piece of fabric to make your gown. Now that we have our pattern, and we're going to need a 8x7 piece of material to make the gown. So since we have to put it on the fold, we're going to fold this over. So then you're going to place this on the fold, and you're going to use your tape to tape it down. So you might want to just mark here. This is where we're going to put the tape. And I'm going to finish cutting the details. You can finish cutting out some of the details. This is for the neck. And then we also I didn't put it on my pattern, but there is a hole on the sleeve. Thumb hole. And the final part is to use some double stick tape or tape to tape the sleeves together. Double stick tape, just make sure you press it right here. Peel the tape off and fold your sleeve over. The double stick tape works pretty well. You have a nice strong sleeve. If you want to make it reinforced, you can fold it over and put it another piece of tape, such as packing tape or
So it's breathable, it's impermeable, it's crinkly.